When sizing a neutral conductor for a 200 amp service, there are several factors to consider. These include neutral current, service load, type of grounding, distance to the service entrance, conductor type, and national electrical code requirements. You also need to consider future load growth, grounding requirements, and cost and availability. Firstly, determine the anticipated maximum neutral current flowing through the conductor. This can be estimated using the unbalanced load factor of the system, which is typically 80% for residential and small commercial applications. Secondly, consider the total electrical load in the service panel, including both balanced and unbalanced loads. Thirdly, take into account the grounding method used, such as a transformer-grounded or equipment-grounded system. Fourthly, the distance from the service entrance to the load center or panel where the neutral is connected is important. Voltage drop in conductor resistance must be considered over long distances. Fifthly, the type of neutral conductor used, such as copper or aluminum, will affect the sizing. According to the NEC, the neutral conductor must be sized to handle the neutral current plus 20% spare capacity. For a 200 amp service, the minimum neutral conductor size is typically 4 American wire gauge copper or 2 American wire gauge aluminum. Consider potential increases in electrical demand and plan for sufficient neutral capacity. The neutral conductor also serves as the grounding conductor in most electrical systems. Ensure the conductor is properly sized for grounding purposes as well. While using a smaller gauge conductor may be more cost-effective, it may not be readily available in some areas. It is generally recommended to use a 2/0 American wire gauge copper neutral conductor for a 200 amp service. This provides ample capacity for the neutral current, allows for future load growth, and meets NEC requirements. However, if the specific circumstances of your project warrant a smaller conductor size, it is always best to consult with a licensed electrician for a professional assessment.